Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off any iPhone on the latest iOS version in a few different ways. So let's get started. Now, the simple and the easiest way to turn off your iPhone is by using the buttons on your iPhone. So you're going to locate either the volume up or volume down button along with this side button. So you're going to press and hold both of these buttons at the same time for about a few seconds. So just like this, I'm holding the volume up and the side button, and it's going to give you a menu to simply slide to power off or turn off your iPhone. So that's going to be method number one. Now, method number two is if you don't want to use the buttons, you can come into your setting on your iPhone, scroll down to general, and then all the way at the bottom is the option to shut down, which is basically turning off your iPhone. If you click on it, the same menu will pop up where you can slide to your right to turn off your iPhone. Now, a third method is also by using Siri on the latest version. You can activate Siri to turn off your iPhone. Just either simply say, "Hey Siri," if you have that on, or press and hold on to this side button and say, "Hey Siri, turn off my iPhone."
Just to confirm, you want to power off this device?
Yes. And Siri will simply ask you to just basically verbally confirm, and then you can turn off your iPhone, and it will turn it off within 10 to 15 seconds. Now, to turn it back on, all you're going to do this time is simply hold on to this big side button until you see the Apple logo appear. Now, if that doesn't work for you, you can also plug it into a charger like you're normally charging your iPhone. If the phone is turned off, it will also turn it back on. So that's how you turn off your iPhone on the latest iOS version in a few different ways. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys in the next time.